Hello, today we are going to talk about IDFC bank loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for IDFC bank loan. Having monthly salary which is fit to cover EMI. Applicant age should be between 22 years to 60 years for salaried person and 22 years to 70 years for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 680. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to 5 crore. Tenure will be 1 years to 30 years. Login fees will be nil. Rate of interest will be 8.85% to 9.25% for salaried at reducing. Turnaround time is 3 days. Insurance and other charges will be 0% to 2%. Foreclosure charges will be nil for individual and 2% for other than individual. Processing fees will be 1% plus GST of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is not allowed. Products are seller BT product, new purchase, plot purchase plus construction, home renovation, home saver product. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. Job experience for salaried person is 2 years. Experience with current employer should be 3 months. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are cash salaried applicant. Negative properties are other than accepted collateral. Specific product for professionals like for chartered accountant, doctors. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.